There are many types of software that are used on computers for different purposes. Some of the common types of software include operating system (OS) software. This is the software that manages all the resources of a computer and provides the necessary services and functionality to other software programs. Examples of OS software include Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Application software. This type of software is designed to perform specific tasks or functions. Examples of application software include web browser, word processors, spreadsheets, media players, and graphic design software. Utility software. This is software that helps to manage and maintain a computer system. Examples of utility software include antivirus software, backup software, disk defragmenters, and system optimizers. Device driver software. This software helps the operating system communicate with hardware devices such as printers, scanners, and graphics cards. Programming software. This software is used by developers to write, test, and debug computer programs. Examples of programming software include text editors, compilers, and debuggers. These are just a few examples of the many types of software used on computers. The specific types of software used can vary depending on the needs and preferences of individual users or organizations.